What's this?
Here. I'm just kidding.
Oracle?
Helix.
The helix of the oracle,
Lobule.
lobule of the oracle,
External auditory.
external auditory canal, which leads to this tympanic membrane or eardrum. Okay, that's your external ear. Excuse me, Jamie. Excuse me, your sister wants.
You're being paid. Come watch this.
Okay. Now I'm taking out the eardrum so we can see it from behind. And you notice that this is the bone that's connected to the back of the eardrum. And then this bone has this one connected to it. So there's two bones here. So the first bone that's connected to the actual eardrum, that's your malleus. And then if you see the little yellow line right there, that's the synovial joint. That's the second bone, all of this. So it's malleus, incus. And then over here, there's where your stapes is. So malleus, incus, stapes. And this other part of the middle ear is the auditory tube, eustachian canal. Okay, so we take out the inner ear. By the way, which bone is this?
Temporal.
Temporal bone. Okay, so for this one, first the three major parts. What are these?
Semicircular canals.
And well, let me do it this way. Semicircular canals. What's this?
The cochlea.
Cochlea. And what's this middle section?
The vestibule.
The vestibule. Okay. Now on the semicircular canals, I have these widened endings right here, like these dilated endings plugging into the vestibule. Those are the
Ampulla.
ampulla. What's in the ampulla?
Crista and
The crista. What kind of receptors?
equilibrium.
Equilibrium receptors. And then up here, I have two other places with equilibrium receptors. Up here and down over here. So up here, which
Utricle.
that's the utricle. Down in there is the saccule. Utricle and saccule contain
Equilibrium.
maculae,
Ah,
which
okay.
contains equilibrium receptors, right? Okay, so then we have the cochlea. We open that up. And then I have these two outside circles. That's your scala tympani, exit. The two inner circles, scala vestibuli, entrance. And where they meet over here is the helicotrema. And then we have this big nerve right here. What's the name of this big nerve? It's got two parts to it. The vestibulocochlear number 8, good old number 8. And then we have this branch of it, the cochlear branch, going into the cochlea. And this branch, the vestibular branch, going into the equilibrium receptors. There we go.